It is that time of year that we must begin the registration process for next year's classes. The Hope County College and Career Counselors, Mr. Kevin Davis, Ms. Belinda Jacobs, Mr. Russell Duncan, Dr. Annette Jones, Ms. Antoinette Thompson, Mrs. Leslie Baldwin, and Mr. Brandon Locklear. Hope County Schools emphasizes career and college readiness for all students. This district is committed to ensuring that all students are ready for the rigors of college, career, and life. It is important that you take the time to review all information, including your transcript and the high school planning guide, in order to select courses that you need to meet graduation requirements and that are applicable to your career interests. The agenda for this presentation includes information about graduation requirements, North Carolina career clusters and concentrators, the Career and College Promise Program, the Sandhills Promise Program, and the registration process. While working on registering for your classes, we recommend that you seek help from your parents, teachers, and counselor. In order to graduate, students must meet the minimum high school graduation requirement for North Carolina public high schools, as well as the Hope County School System graduation requirements. These graduation requirements include 4 English credits, 4 math credits, 3 science credits, 4 social studies credits, 1 credit of health and PE, and then the remaining credits needed could consist of academic electives, fine art elective, JROTC electives, and CTE electives. Students must earn a total of 28 credits to graduate from Hope County High School. Please carefully review the high school graduation requirements list to ensure that you take all the required academic courses needed to graduate. Also, for those students interested in attending a 4-year university or college, 2 foreign language credits are required. Students should review the promotion requirements. In order to be promoted to the 10th grade, students must earn 6 credits to include English 1. To be promoted to the 11th grade, students must earn 13 credits to include English 1 and English 2. And in order to be promoted to the 12th grade, students must earn 20 credits to include English 1, 2, and 3. The Career and Technical Education curriculum is one avenue the students can use to satisfy their elective course criteria. To qualify as a CTE completer, students must take at least 4 technical credits from among the courses listed in the career cluster. Also, at least 3 of the technical credits must come from among the foundational courses, with at least 1 of the foundational courses being at the completer level, level 2. The 4th technical credit can be either a foundational or enhancement course. Enhancement courses can be from any program area identified in the career cluster. For example, if you are a student interested in health science pathway, the 4 recommended courses would be Career Management, Health Team Relations, Health Science 1, and Health Science 2. Students could continue with the Health Science program and take Nursing Fundamentals in order to earn their CNA certification. The following slides showcase the North Carolina CTE career clusters available at Hope County, with the various courses offerings for different career pathways. First, you have Agricultural Education, Business, Finance, and Information Technology Education, Career Development, Career Exploration, Career Management, which is in every pathway, Family and Consumer Science Education, Health Science Education, Marketing and Entrepreneurship Education, Trade and Industrial Education, In the CTE program, students also have the opportunity to participate in work-based learning through internships. Some of the local partnering sites include Forever Kids, Little Angels Child Care, Sunshine Angels Child Care, Hope County Schools, Hoke Head Start, Children's Developmental Center, the Crossings at Wayside, and Open Arms Retirement Center. An additional CTE program that will be offered to students will be the Technology, Engineering, and Design Education Career Cluster. This cluster will offer students courses such as gaming, art design, and digital design animation. Newly added courses, Teaching as a Profession 1 and 2, are designed for students who are interested in becoming future teachers. It gives students a hands-on opportunity to experience the other side of the desk, and students can possibly earn 6 college credits. Interested students may pick up an application from guidance. Students taking CTE classes have the opportunity to earn different CTE credentials. This slide lists those available through the various CTE programs. As you can see, they include certifications such as the American Welding Society certificates, CPR, First Aid, Microsoft Office Specialist Certification, ServSafe, just to name a few. Students who take courses in the CTE program may also participate in career and technical student organizations such as FBLA, DECA, FFA, HOSA, TSA, Skills USA, FCCLA. The High School and College Connection allows students at Hoke High the opportunity to take college courses and our certification programs while still in high school. College and Career Promise prepares eligible high school students for life after high school. That means college credit for some and career training for others. Regardless of a student's plans after high school, Career and College Promise provides focused preparation at no cost to the student. The purpose of the program is to provide dual enrollment educational opportunities for eligible high school students and to align the career and college program pathways with the pre-K through 12 curriculum and career and college ready standards. This program allows students to take college classes at their high school campus. So not only are students earning high school credit, but they are also earning college credit. There are 3 pathways recognized within the Career and College Promise program. They include the College Transfer Pathway, in which high school junior or senior students can earn college transfer credits towards 32 to 35 hours of transferable college credits when you earn a C or better. The 4 college transfer pathways are Associate in Arts, Associate in Engineering, Associate in Science, and Associate in General Education. Workforce Continuing Education Pathway. Earn tuition-free course credits at a North Carolina community college toward an entry-level job credential, certificate, or diploma in a technical career. Cooperative Innovative High Schools Pathway. Educational opportunities for students in grades 9 through 12 with an emphasis on first-generation college students. It enables students to complete a high school diploma and 2 years of college credit in 4 to 5 years. The benefits of participating in this program is that you are earning tuition-free course credits at a North Carolina community college toward an entry-level job credential certification or diploma, and a technical career. Also, it includes applied academic skills needed for workplace success. The Sandhills Promise Program is a program established for Moore and Hope County residents who graduate from a public or private high school or registered homeschool. Having completed 4 dual enrollment courses at Sandhills will pay no tuition at the college for 2 years immediately following their high school graduation. Please review the listed eligibility criteria below to determine if you qualify. Mr. Brandon Locklear is the College and Career Scholarship Coordinator. He will be able to assist with all financial aid and scholarship related questions, with applying to college, completing the FAFSA and other aid information, NCAA eligibility center questions and help, NAIA eligibility, registering for ACT and SAT, and any questions related to military enlistment or ASVAB testing. In order to help you with the registration process, you will need your transcript, a paper registration form, the high school planning guide, and your PowerSchool account information. Use the paper registration form to plan your course selections. Each form is grade level specific and helps identify courses that you are eligible to take in that grade. Review your transcript carefully to make sure to select the correct courses needed. Use the high school planning guide to review course descriptions and prerequisite criteria needed. Once you have made your course selections on the paper registration form, you can log into PowerSchool and select your courses in your class registration account. We recommend that you register first for your core classes. Check your transcript to make sure you are on track with your core courses. For example, if you did not pass Math 1, you must retake Math 1 before moving on to Math 2. If you did not pass English 2, you must retake English 2 before moving on to English 3. Rising juniors and seniors, check your GPA to see if you qualify for the College Promise Program. Follow the correct sequence in each subject area. Talk with your current teachers for their recommendations regarding honors and AP options. AP and honors classes are more challenging, and they help students prepare for college and their career, and they may help students build a higher GPA or rank. After selecting your core academic courses, think about elective courses that pertain to your career interests or hobbies. Elective courses are important as well. Make sure you select 8 courses and 3 alternates. Students have up to 12 elective options over 4 years. It is highly encouraged to complete a 4-course concentration in a CTE cluster. You can use the high school planning guide to read about course descriptions, sequencing, and how to be a CTE concentrator. Don't forget to register for alternate courses. Students must register for alternate electives in case you do not get into your first choice electives. When you get your schedule in August, you will not be able to make changes for courses you sign up for, including alternates. So again, choose your courses wisely. Choose courses based on your personal interests, post-secondary plans, readiness and ability. Choose the most rigorous courses that you are ready for. Discuss it over with your parents and guardians, your current and past teachers, and your school counselor. Please complete the paper registration form and return it to your first period teacher with your signature and parent signature. Use your PowerSchool account information to log in to do your course registration with your username and password. We have 2 demonstration videos to guide you on how to register in PowerSchool. If you have any questions or concerns that your teacher is unable to assist you with, please see your counselor for help. Thank you.